How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick 67 Chevelle SS 396 done in its factory Tuxedo Black. This is a factory black on black car. Got the 396, 375 horse. It is a replacement motor. It's got the M22 rock crusher trans, 12 bolt posi with a 373 gear. I tell you, this car is super slick, flat pin straight down the sides. Really nice car. Restoration on this car is about 2 years old. It's got mostly original body panels. It's just a super nice car. The bumpers have been replaced. All the tail panel moldings are original and excellent condition. The same with the tail light bezels. They are originals. I tell you, this car on black, super slick. It's pretty rare to have a factory black one also. Got a nice set of American Racing torque thrusts on it. Got the factory winner's intake. It's got your power steering, your power disc brakes. Oh, I'm sorry, this one does not have power steering, just has your power disc brakes. Got the heavy duty radiator. Nice set of ceramic coated headers. Dual flow masters out the back. Jams all look real nice. Interior is really nice. Got your factory gauge package. AM, FM. Headliner's real nice and tight in the car. Got front rear seat belts. Original center console. You have to bear with us today. It's only like 19 degrees right now. It's all the original trunk floor in the car. Real nice car, guys. They did add a pair of AutoMeter gauges there at the bottom of the dash. Way more accurate than the factory stuff. Tell you, all the front bumper, grill, all new on the car. Got a nice little cam, and the car sounds real good. Cold-blooded today. It's just a super slick car, guys. Black on black, can't get no better than that. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit our showroom at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.